We are from Chembond Chemicals Limited. It is Chembond Chemicals is a specialty manufacturing company. It is a very old company. It is established in 1973, and we manufacture all sorts of chemicals for all industries, for chemical industries, animal health, biotech, and we are in this poultry manufacturing business since last many years. And from 2011 onwards, we started our own marketing. So we have developed the team, developed the products, and now the Chembond Chemicals is reached to the all parts of the country, and we are serving the many farmers, feed millers, and many customers all India. We have the sizable team and distribution network throughout India. The special thing of this Chembond Chemical is because we are being the own manufacturer. So our motto is to give that the benefit to the farmers, so that they will be directly benefited and they can take our products with pleasure. So that is the biggest advantage of taking the products from Chembond. And some of our clients, like because we are being the chemical company, like we do the business up approximate 100 crores with Tata Group. Some of the other clients are Reliance. We are in the water treatments. We have the major tie-up with Chembond Chemicals is with Henkel, Germany. Henkel is one of the biggest chemical company, and they manufacture all sort of chemicals. We have also the technical tie-up with Ashland for the water treatment chemicals and for the construction chemicals. We have the tie-up with H2 Innovation, that is it's a Canada-based company, and the total turnover of the company is approximately 300 crores, and we are expecting to grow multifold during the coming years. And for animal health, we are also having the planning to tie up with some US companies, and we will serve the better and better to the poultry fraternity. So this is, some of our products are like Enzymix, that is a multi-enzyme, complex enzyme you can say. And other products are like Postzyme. This is a phytase. We have all sort of phytase. We are the only company to have, probably the only company to have the PCI pastorage base or yeast phytase. We have our own manufacturing location, granulation facility in India, and some of our other products, like very moving products, are LCZ4. That is a novel antibiotic growth promoter and a unique composition because it contains 3 antibiotics. That is levofloxacin, as the name suggests, like LCZ, L for levofloxacin, C for cholesterol sulfate, and Z for zinc basitracin, and it also contains the probiotics. So that is the biggest advantage. And we have the Steady Grow. The product is the non-antibiotic growth promoter, or you can say it's a unique composition for early chick mortality and as a growth promoter. We have other products, like we are also in the vitamin premix. That is Previte is the name of the products. We have some products of Ashland origin, that is coming from Ashland, America. That is Chemraksha Plus, that is a unique disinfectant, and we have also the water sanitizer, probably with the bromine, and that is pure bromine, 10% liquid concentration. That name is ChemWatt B. That is the pure Ashland product.